Central Challenges are the main event in DI. This is the project your team works on throughout the whole year. Your goal is to come up with a solution and an 8-minute skit to the given problem outlined in your challenge. There are 7 challenge categories. Engineering involves using engineering skills to produce a solution by using building techniques like building a roller coaster. Fine arts involves performance skills, planning, prop design, and a focus on storytelling. Improv involves research, on-the-spot thinking, and performance skills, and uses either real or imaginary props.
We want to walk down that street and then we'll see all.
Actually a cherry farm. Do you know what that is?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay.
Scientific involves using scientific research and creativity to solve a problem.
Wait, look over here. This crew has something written on it.
I think that says Bernsenseinen. That means Amber Room. Let's take this one up.
Service learning involves addressing a community issue by engaging in public service by doing a service project and including that in a skit.
Here at Newtown, there's a really big river, but no oars. Now I'm at dinner, and there's quite a few tall trees, but no oars. Oh no, that's the trash monster. This must be the place.
Technical involves engineering, research, and strategic planning, and creates a device, like a device that assembles a puzzle. Early learning is a simpler challenge made for younger kids. How do you choose what challenge to take on?
Yes, we pulled from a paper bag, an engineering one.
We just talked about it, and we discussed about which one we liked and which one we didn't.
We crossed off the ones that we didn't like, and we eventually ended up with focus.
Make sure you're deciding together as a team. What do you do when there's too many ideas?
We add them all together.
And we sometimes test them.
One thing we do is if you have an idea, raise your hand.
What is the most important aspect of DI?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. How
We worked together by signaling, and we talked about it.
Never talk over each other.
We came up with solutions to things that were getting out of control. We split groups, someone does one thing, the other does another. We give each other some feedback to see if they could do something differently. Or if something's going really well, we just think of something that might make it better.
I think monitoring everyone, it's definitely very important to make sure everyone's working, has their hands on something, and isn't freaking out.
What do you do when things go wrong?
Sometimes we pretend that that's part of the play. We keep trying. You're going to fail, and it's okay because
DI is all about coming up with a solution together as a team, but only with your team. The end product should be your team's original ideas, based on brainstorms and research. The no interference rule means solving the challenge without any input from team managers, parents, friends, or anyone else not on the team. Instead of asking for help from a parent or friend, ask your teammates or research it yourself.
some of our teammates.
How do teams prepare for the tournament?
So we worked on the beginning first. We got the introduction and everything, and then we went to the middle. Then we finally worked on the end.
We made the script for the props.
And we thought what we were gonna do. Then we made some props, and then did the script. Then we did many sets and costumes, and then bought all the things, and then we rehearsed.
First, it's the architect of whatever we're building.
And then
it's the story.
We just built it, and then we started characters, and then started performing, and then after that we
we made all the prompts.
Yeah.
Practice, 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 practice.
Don't let paperwork build up. Time management is key. There's so much paperwork.
I know, right? It's gonna take forever to finish it.
We should have started months ago.
I know. I hope we finish it in time.
This is a tournament data form. Your team needs to fill it out before the tournament. It asks a few questions surrounding team choice elements, challenge-specific features, artificial intelligence, and the creative process. The word time signifies the end to your skip. Incorporate it into your script in a creative way.
Oh, I wish I had checked the time.
We'll do better next time! How do you budget effectively?
We got all the things that we needed most importantly, and then like if we had extra, we could get like things for like tiny details to make it more. So we got all the things that we needed, like everything that we needed, and then in the end we checked the price and to make sure that it was below the budget.
Usually make sure that we're getting like yard sale prices, something like.
Every challenge has a budget. It is the total value of everything that ends up on stage. The Central Challenge is the product of your team's creativity and hard work. Remember to work together and be proud of everything you've accomplished. Set a goal for the year, whether that be to use the most creativity, make it to globals, or learn new things. The biggest goal for all teams, however, should be to have fun.